Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a slime. The last one did not turn out great at all. After a few days, it was really rusty, it was orange, some of it. So I threw it away. Now we're going to be making a slime with the same exact container. If it's a little small, I think we're going to make a fluffy slime, so I think it'll make it bigger, expand. So I'm going to get out all the glue, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have glue on my fingers. So now I'm going to put the shaving cream in. So I'll be right back. Okay, now I need a spoon and my activator. Okay guys, so I made some activator. I did not get much glue out at all, so do not expect this to be a fail. I'm just going to add a teensy bit because this is really strong activator. I think most of it's actually just shaving cream. So I'm going to mix it really well. Let's put this in time lapse for a few seconds or minutes. Okay, so I think it turned out okay. It's a little bad, but I didn't have any more glue. Actually, I can check. I'll be right back. Good thing I have a teensy tiny bit of clear glue left. Ugh, if I can open it. This hurts. Yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, so you can see I have some left. I don't want to add too much. I just need it to be more liquid. And clear glue is really runny. So yeah. I think that's good. Okay, I'm going to put this in time lapse once again. Okay, well, I think we should end the video here. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.